Okay, so behind me are some resources. Hold on. Sleep disorder. What I want to know is what's keeping you up at night. What I want to know, what was your last thought before you went to bed? 'Cause usually the last thought you went to bed determine the first thought you wake up with and the emotions that follow that. This is a very serious thing. A lot of my young students, they take melatonin trying to cure themselves, trying to fix themselves. And sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But the question becomes, for how long are you going to start using, keep on using these pills without treating the root of the problem, the root cause of a problem, rather than people just treat the symptoms. People become moody, a lot of health problems. Lack of sleep can cause cancer. Too much sleep can cause cancer. Where's the middle way? I want everyone to think, take the time to think, what's keeping you up at night? Is it anxiety? Is it untreated anxiety? So meditation can help you with that. Meditation can help you with a lot of things. Again, my program, Clinical Buddhism, aims to uproot suffering one last time, once and for all. And that means tracing the links of influence as to the root cause of your anxiety, your mental anguish, your disturbing emotions. So, and for some of you who have been visiting psychotherapists, you got to ask yourself, how long have you been in therapy? What has therapy done for you? And since you began therapy until now, how well have you gotten better? Or not gotten better? Maybe it's time to try Buddhism. Maybe it's time to try clinical Buddhism with Ajahn Jidao. Because nobody has time for this. Nobody has time for sleeping disorder. Nobody has time to wake up 5 times in the middle of the night. No one has time for nightmares. No one has time for that, because you can't go to work. You can't study. You can't go to work. You can't do anything when you have sleeping issues. Whatever's keeping you up at night. You can't function during the day. You're grouchy. You can't remember things. You have memory problems. You have focus issues. ADHD gets worse. Everything's just bad in regards to effectiveness and efficiency. So I wanted to take the time to expand on one of many disorders out there in the very big medical book of disorders. So more medical stuff as it comes along, but my concern for everyone's peace and what peace means to you, and to taste that peace before you subsequently pass away. It's a very stressful country to be in. It's a stressful country to operate in. And the life that we live here in America, number one killer is heart disease due to stress. May all be well, be happy, be free, always be healthy. Take care.